In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this super easy and super fast doily, and written directions are also available along with this video. Hi, I'm Shabori from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project, I have used 4-ply acrylic yarn from Asian Hobby Crafts, and the hook size is 3mm. We will use a yarn cutter also, and let's begin with the tutorial. We will take the yarn and make a slip knot at first. In this way, the crochet beginners tutorials are available in a playlist, so check it out in my channel. And then we will do chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, we will slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring in this way, and we will now begin the first round. We will begin the first round with a chain 3, and this is the first double crochet stitch of this round. After that, we will do a chain 1, and this is the chain 1 space. Then in the ring, we will be doing 1 double crochet stitch, followed by chain 1, followed by double crochet in the ring, and again chain 1. There will be a total of 8 sets of double crochets followed by chain 1 in this round, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. Okay, so we will quickly complete this round. So we began this round with a chain 3 followed by chain 1, and then 7 sets of double crochets followed by chain 1. At the end, we will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 to complete this round, and then we will slip stitch in the next chain 1 space. We will begin a round 2 now with a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. In the same space, we will do one more double crochet stitch, followed by a chain 3, and then in the next chain 1 space we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 3, and in the same way in the remaining 6 spaces we will be doing 2 double crochets followed by chain 3 after in each one of those. At the end, we will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3, and complete this round. We will now begin the third round. Slip stitch in the next double crochet stitch also, and then we will slip stitch in the chain 3 space. We will begin the third round with a chain 3, and this is the first double crochet stitch of this round. We will be doing 1 double crochet stitch in the same space, followed by chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. We will repeat the same pattern in each and every remaining spaces. So in the next chain 3 space also we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space, and repeat the pattern throughout the round. That is, in each chain 3 space we will be having 2 double crochets followed by chain 3 followed by 2 double crochets, and quickly complete this third round also. At the end, we will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. We will slip stitch in the next double crochet stitch, and then we will slip stitch in the next chain 3 space and begin the 4th round now with a chain 3 as usual. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. In the same chain 3 space we will be doing 8 more double crochet stitches. So in this chain 3 space we had chain 3 and 8 double crochets. This makes a total 9 double crochets if we consider the chain 3 as a double crochet. Okay. After that we will move on to the next chain 3 space, and there we will be doing 9 double crochets. And repeat this pattern throughout the round. That is, in each and every chain 3 space of the last round we will be having 9 double crochets in each one of those. And we will quickly complete this round in the same way. At the end, as usual, we will slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by chain 1, and cut the yarn, and our doily pattern is completed. This doily is very beautiful and easy. I hope you understood this pattern. You can use this as a poster or a dream catcher doily too. This will just look perfect in your dream catcher. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos in the comment section. This doily contains very easy stitches like double crochets, chains and slip stitches. I hope it was useful, and thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.